are so soft. Milo! Snack time! Be quiet! Almost there. Stay here, buddy. Ready for snacks? Can I have extra milk? Of course, sweetie. Steady, steady. Yum, right? Catch it! Hey. Oh no! What's this? Milo? Milo? Emma? Are you okay? Hide! Hide! I found your yarn! Thanks, Mama. It smells different. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Milo, step away. Step away. What is... What is this? A puppy in the house? A puppy in the house? I'm sorry, Mama. Please, can we keep him? He was all alone. Look how cute he is. Milo, pets are hard work. He likes you. He is sweet. Can he stay? Yes, but we must care for him. Yay! Thank you, Mama. What's his name? His name is Buddy. Welcome home, Buddy. Best day ever.